Hi everyone, how are you? So I meant to film and post this video yesterday, but I didn't get to it. I was busy transforming my hair. I don't know if you could tell. I keep trying to send pictures to people and it doesn't really translate well, but I'm ginger now. I'm strawberry blonde and I kind of love it. But yeah, that's what's new with me besides the move. What's new with you guys? So today I'm opening 4 beauty boxes right here. And yeah, before we get started, I just wanted to say a quick hello. If you are new here, my name's Kitty. I love subscription boxes. I open them here on this channel. I also created a new channel, Kitty Outside the Box, where I will be posting more videos like vlogs, which I will post eventually. I know I keep saying this. I'm in the process of moving, and that takes up a lot of my time. But yeah, if you want to subscribe, I would love it, but no pressure. Just so happy you're here. Let's get started. How about we start with the box that's right on top, Birchbox. Super cute this month. Oh, I like that they have that there now. Was it always there? It says reuse me. Birchbox was my first subscription box ever. Oh, I ask this in every video now, but what was yours? If we haven't already talked about it, I would love to know. So, soaking up every last bit of sunshine. Us too. Where I live, it's always sunny. Kind of. It was storming earlier and the power went off. So we've got our stuff here. So Birchbox is $15 a month. And we get about 5 items, is that right? Yeah. And I don't remember if I customized this box, but I do allow customization now. You can select out of a set of curated boxes, you can select a sample of your choice, or you can like swap it for points or a full-size item. I'm guessing I didn't choose anything this month because I can't remember. There's a full-size in here, and it's a full-size item, and it is an eyebrow pencil. At first I was hoping it would be like red again, because in the past I got one from this company, Model Co. I think it was in Birchbox and it was more of a red color, but we got this in medium dark, so that's exciting. Most of the items you get in Birchbox are deluxe size, so that's awesome. And look, we have some glow recipe, the Watermelon Glow Pink Dream Body Cream, smoothing and moisturizing. Ooh, I didn't know they had a body cream. It makes sense. I want to put some on, I just moisturized. I like this company's hand cream, so if it smells just like it, that would be amazing. I actually have it in my purse right now. This is their Mercy Handy Hand Sanitizer in Hello Sunshine. Oh my god, I'm really liking this box. 2 more items to go. By 417 Sensual Essence Intense Volumizing Mud Shampoo. I feel like I'm echoey because my place is like getting more empty. Sorry, my phone just went off. If it is echoey to you too, I apologize. But the last item in here is by Aceology, the Brightening Treatment Mask. So the sample sizes are getting a little bit bigger for Birchbox. Remember, they used to be itty bitty? I'm happy with this box. We're just going to keep on moving today, guys. We're going to go quick. Allure Beauty Box. I just got this yesterday, I believe. So this is $23. I get mine through Amazon. There's a little card here. And then it talks about, there's a lot to unpack. So it seems like they always do this now. They'll give some tips on one of the items inside. And it looks like we have that really expensive brand, 111 Skin in here. Is it a full size? Yeah. I bet this is like $150. The Y Theorem Day Cream, NaCy2. What? There's like some chemical structure there? What is this? So this is how to get the most out of antioxidants. You know how I said I thought it was $150? $270. What? I'm not even gonna go there. You guys know how I feel. Next we have by Decorte Liposome. This is a hydration boosting serum. And this looks full size too, so I believe we get 2 to 3 full size items and the rest deluxe size in Allure since they upped their pricing. And we have by Real Her, I Am Resilient Metallic Bronze Eyeliner. So this is another full size. I'm going to keep it in the box. I'll probably pass it on because I just got a bronze eyeliner in Ipsy, I think. I haven't really tried it yet. No, that was the olive one, but there was a bronze that came with it. And then the next item we have here is by Beautinique Beauty. Ooh, yay! I love cream blushes, so I'm really excited about this. Blush Serum. So it's a water-based cheek and lip color, and this is in the shade... I don't know. Does it have a shade name? Let's see if I can get it open right away. I'm going to swatch a little bit. Can I? Okay, we'll give it one more Sweet. Ooh, it's kind of dark. Whoa. There was like a little dollop like on my hand. Oh, be careful with this. Put a little my, no, we're not gonna put any on because I'm doing warm tones. This is a little bit more cool. Look at this. Whoa, pigmented. I'm like blending it out. A little bit goes a long way, and this is probably not considered full size. Well, maybe it's, I don't know, but that will last forever. Hi, Emmy. You can't stop on my legs right now. You're so cute. Excuse me. Well, nasally. Next up we have Haru Wonder Black Rice Hyaluronic Toner. And then the last item in here is a face mask by MediHeal. This is the NMF Intense Hydrating Mask. I've used masks from this brand before. I'm not sure if it was exactly this one. I generally like every single mask, like sheet mask I use. I feel like they usually have like really good short-term benefits. Hydrate your skin, make makeup go on effortlessly afterwards. But yeah, I thought that was pretty good. Which, I mean, this is ridiculously priced. Yeah. Let's move on to Glossybox. I need to blow my nose though first. I'm sorry. Sorry if I look different. I just had to step away for a minute to blow my nose. I have like allergies or something going on. Maybe it's like cleaning product I'm using. Oh, it's Glossybox's birthday, their 10th birthday. So this box is probably gonna be extra special. So Glossybox is $21 a month. I do have a code and link with them that will, if you want to pay for a full year, you get your first box for $1. Otherwise, you can get your first box for 16 bucks. Yeah, this is our 10th birthday, and we're thrilled to celebrate with you. Oh, it looks good. Oh, got two full-size items at least. By Cetaphil, this is their Sheer Hydration Replenishing Body Lotion. I like how it has a pump. Nice. And then by Cab, lip oil. Oh, is it a tinted lip oil? And Juicy Melon. I freaking love tinted lip oils. You wanna know what happened to my one? It was my favorite. Is it right around here? It should be. But it freaking broke, the top of it, by Kenzie, or what am I talking about? Yensa? That was a really weird mistake right there. I guess Kenzie is a brand, isn't it? Ooh, look how huge this tube is. And the doe foot's really big too. Smells good. It's barely has a tint, like, but there is a little bit of one. I want to just keep smelling it. What is it? What is that scent? I like it. Ooh, this is exciting. And then by LMS, I love this cream. This is their Pro Collagen Marine Cream. I think this is a really good one, and LMS is expensive, so I'm always happy to get it in subscription boxes. Along with Glow Recipe. We're getting several Glow Recipe things today. This is the Blueberry Bounce Gentle Cleanser. I think I did receive this in the past, but I passed it on in a giveaway or something. I think it's cute how it comes in this little bag. I'm not really sure why. I probably did give some information on it, but it's supposed to be gentle, pore refining, packed with antioxidants-rich blueberries. 2 more things to go. This is a hair mask. Oh, sweet. I could probably use this right now that I dye my hair. Keratin Protein Smoothing Deep Conditioner. It softens and prevents breakage and weak damaged hair. And these last me multiple uses, these foil packets. I just leave them in my shower. So I'm excited to try this out. Yay. And last but not least, we have some little hair ties. These are those little look like foam cores. Invisibobble, the Elegant Hair Ring. There's 3 of them, and it's kind of like marble looking. Nice. I thought that was a good glossy box. Yay. And then I think we just have one more box to go. Yep. We have Beauty Fix by Derm Store. So this one cost, if you subscribe, $24.95 a month, but you can also just purchase it one time for $34.95. So if you've seen me unbox past boxes, some of them are still available. You can get them online for a discount. You get at least $100 in value, and this is definitely more skincare heavy, but you sometimes get makeup or hair care. And this is what it looks like this month. So, Holly Frog. I'm using one of their exfoliants, like the face wash, in my shower right now, and I really like it. It's like a gentle one. This is the Sunapi Sacred Sea Brightening Powder Wash. So this is another exfoliant. Brighten and buff. I think it's one of those powders you put a little bit of water in so it lasts longer. Nice. I like their packaging. Yeah, I think, is that what you do? Yeah, this polishing wash is friendly towards any skin type and skin situation. Okay, cool. And then by Skin Medica, the Lumavive system. So there's a damage defense serum and a revitalize repair complex. So day and night serum in here. And they are sample size. I've liked Skin Medica products that I've tried. I've never got anything full size. By the way, I feel like I've gotten everything from that I've tried from Dermstore probably. I have a feeling they're an expensive brand. As well as SkinCeuticals. So Metacell Renewal B3, comprehensive daily emulsion to correct early signs of photoaging through a patent-pending delivery system. So it's to clarify your tone or retighten surface, renewed skin. No, I feel like I read that wrong. So sample size here. 3 things to go. Oh, nice. By First Day Beauty, the Facial Radiance Niacinamide Dark Spot Serum. And then by Glow Skin Beauty, we have the Hydra Bright AHA Hydrator. This has lactic acid, vitamin C in it, and it's brightening and moisturizing. Lightweight and active. So I don't know if this is full size or not. It's half an ounce. Oh man, am I just flying through this video? Did I open 4 boxes in like 13 minutes? I am really focused when I'm in a hurry and have a lot to do. And the last item we're opening today, or last item that is in our boxes today, is by Christoph Robin, like one of my favorite hair brands. I've never heard of this one by them. It's a hydrating leave-in mist with aloe vera. Yay! I'm super excited to try this out. Awesome. But yeah, seeing when I have a lot to do, I'm actually more efficient. Like I need that like procrastination push, like moving in less than 2 weeks, all this other stuff I have going on. Did I miss a box? Because that's really fast. I hope it wasn't too fast for you guys. I will probably do like reviews of any products I do keep. I know I am giving away a lot. I had a giveaway end yesterday, I believe. I will pick a winner before this video is live. It was in the RoboMop video, but I also have another giveaway going on. So if you guys did not check that out, it'll be down below, the links for the giveaway videos. Thank you guys all for being here, and sorry again if this was super rushed, but I know some of you guys like shorter videos, so I hope it's okay. But yeah, I am going to go and pack some stuff up before I have class at 8:30 online. I love you guys so much. I will see you super soon. Bye.